Hey guys, today we're gonna see how to use the adjust the depth from the Delta drill press. This is the 11-990. So much people say how to use it. I don't know how to use it, but I'm gonna show you today. You need to put this thing here, not turn this way. You gotta be this way to the zero, and if you wanna drill it half inch, put on the half inch, and then turn this one, and then tight. If you're going down, you see the drill don't go any more than a half inch. The same thing with 1 inch. You tight, put 1 inch, you set on here and turn it. The drill don't go any more than 1 inch. So I was see a comment from one people say how they use it. This is garbage, doesn't work, but I found a way how to use it. So thank you guys.